Thank you guys. Thank you to all my Sisikoy, to all my supporters here in my small YouTube channel, and to all my simple videos. Thank you so much guys, and especially to those who always supporting my live stream and strong air, sorry. Nagugusot yung buhok ng Sisikoy. And of course, to all my Sisikoy, thank you so much. Sisikoy Job Sinamay, Sisikoy Laren Director, Sisikoy Nana Honey YTC, Sisikoy Timbat Kid Batismuti, Erlyn, thank you. TY Bets, thank you. Samuhing TV ko. Samuhing TV, thank you to. And what else? Antonio, all the way from Baguio City. Kapsat on Antonio, salamat. Hindi ko na kayo mabanggit lahat-lahat guys, but to all my loyal supporters, subscribers here in my small YouTube channel, thank you to all of you guys. I'm sorry sometimes I'm rude in my live because you know, if you don't have a channel, if you don't have subscriber or any even one upload video in your channel, I cannot put blue jacket or a moderator because of course I'm taking care of my channel, and I hope everybody must understand that. So if you want to support me, drop your main channel. I can support too, as long as I can support you too, as long as I can. But you know, we are far from our country, and this is not our country. So sometimes I can go to your live sometimes, but sometimes not. Nabubulol ako mga guys kasi medyo mainit-init na guys. Siyempre to all my Sisikoy good vibes Marie, Sisikoy good vibes Marie, thank you. And to all of you guys, I cannot mention already all your name, but to all of you, to all my loyal supporters, subscribers, especially to those always supporting me, my simple videos. Thank you so much to all my Sisikoy, to all my loyal supporters. Thank you all. And Rose the Melon Vlog here in Dubai. This is Dubai guys, Dubai. United Arab Emirates. Thank you. And may God Allah bless us all. Rose the Melon Vlog.